Our robot design centered around a custom-made linear slide out of 80/20 tubing extrusion. We put all the weight in the back of our robot with West Coast 2-speed gearboxes. For the intake, we have compliant wheels, 2-stage intake, one that collapses and with pneumatics, and another stage that is attached to the linear side permanently. Our hook system deploys to the bar, and we can go out of the way and allow for other robots to climb with us. And our linear slide uses two 775 Pro gearbox that goes quite fast. At the Sacramento Regional, we did surprisingly well, better than I expected. For a long duration of the competition, we were 4th. We ended up being 9th and being picked by the 7th seed Alliance, and we ended up having to do a tiebreaker with the 2nd seed. So overall, it was very good, and our robot didn't break any substantial parts.